In this video, we're going to go over how to create one location for all of your hottest links on your digital business card. Hey, so before we dive into this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So we oftentimes only get one chance to make a first impression, and that includes our first impression online. And that's why your digital business card can be one important link that you can share both online and offline to get people to your most important content and make a great first impression. What we're going to go over right now is how to easily add your most important links to that digital business card to make sure that your customers or future customers can quickly get to the content that you want them to see the most. Let's dive in right now and see how easy it is to add a couple custom links to our digital business card. So, once again, I'm in my digital business card here, and you can see I'm under the Links tab. If you scroll down just a little bit to the Custom Links section, you'll notice that you can add up to 5 custom links here. We're going to start by adding our first link, which will include a title and a URL of where that's actually going to link to. So first of all, I want to link to something called Create Your Digital Business Card. So I'm going to type in Create Your Digital Business Card. I want to offer my customers a link to creating their own digital business card. I'll follow that by dropping in a URL that I've already pre-copied that will lead to where you can create your custom digital business card. So let me go ahead and grab that now. You can see in the link field right below the title, I'm going to go ahead and drop that in. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and push publish. And let's go ahead and see what that one custom link looks like on our digital business card. On mobile devices and on laptop devices, that link has been added in both places. You'll notice here that if I refresh my digital business card, the link in the left-hand menu bar says right here, Create Your Digital Business Card. And as well, you'll notice on my mobile device, if I refresh this page here, you'll see that a link's been added, Create Your Digital Business Card. Now, I've just noticed something on desktop. I noticed that that text is a little bit too long. So let's go ahead and edit that and make it look really good on both desktop and on mobile. I'm going to go back into my editor and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see Create Your Business Card. Simple and quick to the point, meaning this is my most important link. I'm going to scroll down, push publish one more time, and you'll notice it's literally that easy to change the title of a link or the URL of that link. I'll go back and refresh my page, and boom, the digital business card link has now been changed to Create Business Card. Of course, you can add any text or any URL that you'd like to do here. So let's finish this tutorial off by just adding one more in link number 2. In my second link, I want to add something like book a meeting with me. Now on this, I'm going to link either to my Authorized website or to something that's not my Authorized website. And here it just so happens that I know the link, so I'm going to just type that in because I know it off the top of my head. So I'm going to go https://www.authorized.company/calendar/Gabe. That's something that I really want my people to get to. So let me scroll to the bottom once again, push publish. I think you're getting the hang of it now. It's literally that easy. And the point is, these are the most important links to get your people to quickly. Let's finalize this tutorial by looking at the way that looks on mobile, which I think we'll both like. Boom. Right here, it says easy as, refresh the page, and you'll notice book a meeting with me. A link has now been added to my digital business card, meaning these are the most important quick things that I want to get my people to. I hope that you add your quick links as quick as possible. Cool, so thanks for checking out this video. I hope you've learned a little bit more about how to grow your business. And of course, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with all the exciting stuff we've got coming from Authorized. So you may have a couple more questions, and we love that. And that's why we're available to answer those questions anytime by emailing us at team@authorized.company or connect with us on any of our social media platforms. As well, if you've not yet created your Authorized account, you can do so for free by going to authorized.company. And of course, be sure to check out our other training videos and leave a comment below because we love to hear your feedback.